Having a mobile application or a website is good, but getting users and traffic for this particular application or website is very much better, and that is what helps you build a business around your mobile application, around your website, and lots more. So in this particular video, whether you have an AdMob application, you have a blog website, you have a web 2, you have a SaaS product, in this particular video I'm going to be showing you these 10 free platforms where you can actually list your website, your application, your web 2, and get potential users and traffic. This is also going to simply work for you on your blog website. And the best part, majority of this particular website which I'm going to be showing you have more Tier 1 visitors, which helps you get more Tier 1 users to your application and also to your website. So if my team built your website, delivered it, or built your AdMob application and also delivered it to you, you can actually go ahead and release your application or your website on this very platform, alright? So at the end part of this very video, I'm going to be giving you the best two that I like so much and the reason why I like them, alright? The first platform you can actually use to promote your application and also your website is hackersnews.com, right? This particular platform right here is a basic website where you can actually share your opinion, just like a forum, where you can actually come in and share your opinion on a particular tool that is working for you, or a particular website, or a particular AI tool that is working for you, which people don't actually know about, right? So you make your own recommendations on this platform, you make your own reviews and all of that, and you get people that are interested in what you are promoting. Okay, so what you need to do is actually come over to this very platform, you register your account as a contributor. The more tools you recommend and review, the more people get to find out those particular tools you're talking about, right? And it could be your own tool, it could be your own website, your own application. And the second platform you can actually use right now to promote your website, to promote your application, we have Capterra, all right? So this is Capterra.com, all right? This is a platform where you can actually showcase your own startup, all right? If you have an application which generates thumbnail, you can actually come over to this very platform and share everything you know about your platform. You're also going to be seeing a lot of people here on this very platform that are also promoting their own product, okay? And what you need to do is this: you don't just come here and start spamming people with your product or with your link. What you need to do is actually engage with some other people's startups, all right? You can engage with other people's website or their tools, their website, and also tell them about your own, all right? So that it will be organic promotion, okay? You have to simply create your account and you get to share your own software, share your own application, your website, whatever thing your website does, you can actually share it on this very platform. And the best part is this: if you want to use this platform to get more organic users, what you need to do is simply make a tutorials about whatever thing you are promoting. It could be your mobile app. If your mobile app is about how to remove background, you can make a video on how to use your own mobile app to remove background, okay, step by step. Then you can upload that particular video on YouTube, then embed it on this very platform, and that's going to simply help you get more users to your application, all right? So the next on this very list, we have indie hackers, all right? So these are platforms where you can make free promotions, all right? And all you need to do is simply join, and you'll be able to display your startups, your case studies, your ideas, your product, okay? So whatever thing you have, be it a mobile app, website, a software, you can showcase them right here on this very platform, and you get to see people that are interested in it. And the best part is that everybody visiting on this very platform have this mentality that they want to get new tools to try out, okay? Unlike social media like Facebook, where you see random people who doesn't have any aim of visiting the platform, they just want to come in and get entertained, all right? So if you're promoting your softwares on Facebook, even without having audience on Facebook, it will be very difficult to get your ideal customers or ideal audience, all right? So that's the reason why focusing on these platforms that already have this audience built for you already is very much necessary, all right? And the next platform you can actually utilize right now to get this done for you is BetaList, okay? So this particular website right here is a platform where you can actually share your tool when it has not been launched, okay? When it's still at the beta stage, okay? For instance, you just built your AdMob app right now, you've not really launched it on store, like you've not launched it on Play Store, APK Pure, Palm Store, and other stores, all right? You've not launched it there. What you need to do is simply come to this very platform, which is BetaList. Then you create your account on this platform by logging in, and you click on submit startup, all right? This is going to simply prompt you to add details of your application. Remember, it is nowhere online. You're going to simply be publishing it here and tell people on this very platform to test it out for you, okay? That this is your new project. You want people to actually access it for free, okay? Whatever thing you have, you can promote them on this very platform and be able to get organic users. And like I said before, most of these platforms that I'm showing you right now has higher Taiwan traffic coming in every single day on this very platform. What you need to do is simply go ahead and sign up and submit your startup. Your startup could be your app, your website, your tool, your AI tool, your SaaS, and lots more. Okay, and on this very platform you can actually discover a lot of applications that are trending that you can actually use right now as a blogger, as a content creator, all for free, because most of these people are listing their AI tools, are listing their applications for free for people to start using. All right, so if you're getting value from this very video, I would like you to hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel. It's going to simply help us to keep making videos. So the next on this video platform we have g2.com. all right, this is similar to Capterra. The same thing Capterra does right here is also the same thing you can actually get on g2.com. okay, and the best part is that you can even sell your startup, you can sell your application or your website on this very platform. Okay, all you need to do is simply go ahead and sign up, log in on this very platform, and submit your startup for free. All right, if your application is monetized with AdMob, there will still be AdMob ads on your application. All right, so these are the trending product right now. We go ahead and check it out for yourself and list your product on this very platform. Okay, so the next one on this very list we have the AlternativeTo. all right, so this is AlternativeTo.net. okay, so this particular platform is unique on its own. Honestly, I like this particular website. Okay, this particular website helps you to get alternative website and also alternative application to whatever thing you know about. Okay, for instance, if you have CapCut, which is for video editing, and you feel like CapCut is overcharging you, or you feel like you don't have money to pay for the pro version of CapCut, okay, what you need to do is simply come over to this video platform right here and you search for CapCut alternative. All right, search for CapCut, type in CapCut, and you're going to see right here CapCut has over 164 alternatives on this very platform. So if you click on it, this is going to simply bring out all the AI tools or all the applications that are alternative to CapCut. okay, another example is this: alternative platforms to 11 labs. What you need to do is simply search for 11 labs right here. Let's say if you search for 11 labs, okay, you're going to see other AI text-to-speech applications or website. okay, so that's basically what this particular platform does for you. So the question now is, how do you promote your product or your website, your application on this platform? First thing first, you need to actually build a tool that is going to simply compete with something else, all right, and add extra features. Then you list your own product according to that particular category. All right, go ahead and sign up on this platform. You're also going to be seeing reviews, likes. That means people are actually visiting and checking out on these alternatives. All right, so the next on this video list we have the product hunt. okay, so this one right here, most of you knows about it and you still don't know how to use it. okay, so if you want me to make a video on each of these tools, on how to actually use them, how to list your product in all of them, just let me know in the comment section. This is a platform where you can actually see top newly launched product, websites, applications, softwares, AI tools, and lots more. All right, create your account on this very platform and you click on this submit button and you click on this launch a product. okay, you're going to be launching a product. These tools right here, which I've already mentioned, will help promote things for you. okay, the last three on this video list are affiliate marketplace. All right, so as you already know, there are a lot of affiliate marketplace out there. We have Win, we have Partner Stack, and lots more. So this one right here are the ones that I recommend you can actually use right now as a beginner to promote your product. okay, so how does it work? This affiliate marketplace is where you can actually list your own product, then affiliate on this platform will pick your product and to promote for you. For instance, if you have a product or a website or application where people pay monthly to use that particular application, then you'll be able to launch it on this very platform, all right, which is Partner Stack. okay, you're going to be signing up as an advertiser or partner. okay, sign up as a partner on this very platform, then you launch your product, launch your SaaS tool or your website on this very platform. okay, and when you launch it, you'll be able to add a percentage an affiliate is going to simply take when they make a sale. all right, so the next platform you can actually use right now for this to work for you is Rewardful. all right, so this is Rewardful. This is an affiliate marketing system that you can actually use right now to promote whatever thing you want to promote, your website, your application, your SaaS, your tool, your AI tools, and lots more. okay, and the last but not the least, which is one of the best I like so much right now in 2026, is Afonso Affiliate. This is a Germany based affiliate marketing platform where you can actually submit your product, submit your application, and you get affiliate to promote for you. okay, that's basically how this thing works, and this is going to simply help you make things easier for yourself. So if you found this video helpful, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, and join us on our Telegram and WhatsApp channel, okay? And in my next video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually get started as an affiliate on Alfonso. So if you don't want to miss that, hit the like button and also turn on the bell notification icon, or join us on our Telegram channel so that once I drop that video, you'll be able to see it. See you in the next one.